Hey guys, Happy New Year! I honestly can't believe that 2010 is over and 2011 is already here. Honestly, this year has flown by. Maybe because I haven't done much with it, but it has. I mean, seriously, next month is my 1-year anniversary for being on YouTube. That's crazy. But other than blabbering on, I really don't have anything to share with you guys about what I did today, because all I did was sit on my ass and read, and I didn't think you would like to watch an hour-long clip of me just sitting there reading. So, here's some kind of lame, really dark clips of us trying to light fireworks last night at midnight, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Sorry for the disappointment. Bye!
Yeah, what's the temperature?
Like 0 degrees?
What? I want to go back to Florida! It's 75!
Actually, it was 55 when I was there. Oh, my fingers are so cold, I can't feel them. Oh my god, there's a torch shining our fucking fire.
Yeah, there they go, baby. Watch out, watch out.
Oh god. Happy New Year, guys. Ooh, my first vlog of 2011. I can't speak because it's so cold. Oh my god. This is gonna be really dangerous.
Yes, it is. Is it warm though? I want to go for it.
No, don't, honey, no. Sammy.
Oh, come on. I think I hear sizzling.
You work with me here, buddy.
Should I give it some smoke for effect?
No.
You can't see anything.
Damn it. That's our fireworks show.
Well, this
It's
is
a Birdie
really
Mountain Dew box.
This is really uneventful. Sorry, guys.
20 minutes later, boom!
Nothing is
Oh,
happening. Oh, come on. Oh. Go get another soda box.
I believe in you. Just run more this time.
Your mom supports my pyroism. I love her.
I know. I kind of want to... No, my battery is dying. Shit. Come on, at least get the awesome fireworks this way.
Yay! We have created fire.
I want to like stick my finger in the fire. It's so cold.
There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah!
Yeah, there we go. Okay, run.
How do you run away?
Oh, come on. Come on. Oh!
Oh, shit!
Oh!
I'm sliding down the hill.
Hoorah!
Oh, shit! That one's gonna pop right in front of me.
Ah!
Yeah!
Ah!
God!
Here we go.
Come on.
One more.
Come on, come on, come on. Woo! Oh.
Oh!
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
It's not going anywhere, so it's going to pop right.
No,
Maybe we
it's still...
should have counted them.
Is anything on fire?
Yes, it's still on fire. I see a glow.
He's still gonna go up there. He's a man. This is a man's job. There's men to do.